Hi there, Troy Thompson, Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota. A lot of people ask me, when is my car considered totaled after an accident? And that's a tricky question. Obviously, it's going to depend on the adjuster that comes out and analyzes the damage to your vehicle. A rule of thumb is between 50 and 75%, meaning if your car's worth $10,000, if there's $5,000 to $7,500 worth of damage, they'll probably just write it off and call it totaled. If you want great advice like this from the best insurance agency in the state of Minnesota with the most 5-star Google reviews, watch this video now.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.